Craftsman riding mower. Kohler 15.5 horsepower CV15S. This is an unregulated system. I'm not getting enough voltage to charge the battery. I was getting some continuity between the stator chassis and the black wire, so I replaced the stator. No change. At best, tractor harness disconnected, only getting 11.7 VDC at full throttle, black wire.
What's the make and model of the mower? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
Craftsman. Probably about 10 to 15 years old. I'll have to get the model number.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Stator also has a brake, yellow wire.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. Do you have the Craftsman mower model number or the rest of the engine model? There will be more numbers after the CV15. Did you replace the stator under the flywheel? Stator puts out AC voltage, so it has to have a set of diodes or a rectifier to convert to DV voltage. The stator has to put out at least 28 volts AC with wires unplugged from tractor harness.
Mower model number Engine CV15S Spec 41567. Yes, I replaced the stator under the flywheel. It has 3 wires, black, yellow and green. The old one is wired like this, black and green coming from the stator. Black is split into black/yellow. There is a diode soldered into the black lead after that split. So, black should be DC, yellow is AC and green is the brake.
Black is ground. Wire with no diode is DC for lights. Wire with the diode is the battery charging wire. I know nothing about a brake. See wiring schematic in the link below.
Normally, yes, black would be ground. In this case, however, black has the diode and is the DC charging wire. According to the diagram, I should be getting minimum of 28 volts AC before the diode with the charging system disconnected. I'm getting 23 with a brand new stator. So, my thinking is that either the new stator is bad or that maybe the magnets are getting weak and do not generate enough voltage as the flywheel is spinning. Do magnets ever go bad? I just learned about stator brakes myself. That is a circuit Kohler added in order to reverse polarity on the stator so it can be used to help stop the engine within a certain number of revolutions when you turn the key off.
Only way magnets go bad is when they get broken or have cracks or they move and get out of position.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.